Hello there. So welcome you all to my phone screen. I'm Crypto Lord. Yeah. So if you're watching me from TikTok, please make sure that you follow me. If you're watching me from Facebook or YouTube, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Yeah. So please, people have been using my name to scam people. They'll be chatting you that they are crypto lord, blah 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 blah. I don't do that. I don't chat you first. So please take notes. Yeah. So today I'll be showing you how you can multiply or you can flip your $100 account to $1,000 account, your $10 account to $100 account. Yeah, with this basic step trading futures on Binance. Yeah, so please follow the steps very well. So I'm doing this video for beginner's sake. So I'll be starting everything from scratch. So if you don't have Binance and you want to register Binance, I have the link in the description. Click on the link and register on Binance. So after doing your registration and doing your verification everything, this is how it looks like. So first of all, you have to buy a coin. So you have to go to your trade here and go to P2P. P2P. So when you go to the P2P, you see that we have buy and sell. Yeah. So buy and sell, you can go to the payments and filter your account that you want. Me, I've put it to all. So if you're using Vodafone Cash or Telecash, you can use it. GT Bank can use it and stuff. Yeah. So after that, this person is selling $1 for 14.46 Ghana cedis, but the limit is from 200 to 418. So it means that if you want to buy $1,000, 1,000 Ghana cedis of USDT, you can't do trade with this person unless this person. This person limit is from 300 to 5,000 Ghana cedis, and it's using mobile money. It means that if you're using Telecash, you can't do this trade with this person. So I'm using mobile money, so I'll click on buy here and I'll click on 1,000. So if I click on 1,000, it means that I'll be getting 69.10. So if I want $100, I have to click on 14 point like this. So I'll be getting 100.22 USDT. Yeah, then I'll click on place order and I'll place order. So after placing the order, the money will be in your funding wallet. The money will be in the funding wallet, and if the money is in the funding wallet, you can't use it to trade unless the money is in the future wallet. Yeah, so you go to a transfer here and you transfer the money from the funding to your future. So you just click on 2 and you choose futures. You see, then you change it to USDT. USDT. So yeah, you change it to USDT. So you click on the coin here. I don't have amount in the but that's why it's not popping up. Yeah. So when you choose USDT, it will appear here. Then you transfer it to your future coin. Yeah, your future wallet. Yeah, future wallet. So when it's in your futures here, when you go here, you will see that the money is in the futures. Yeah. The money will be in the futures over here. Yeah. Then you can see it in USDT and stuff over here. Yeah. So after that, you come to your trade. So right now the money is in the futures, so you come to your trade. The reason why I don't have money in my accounts right now is that I've pumped all to buy coin on different exchange, waiting to do arbitrage. Yeah. So that thing. Yeah. So when I come to my trade, you see that we have futures over here. I'll go to the futures here. So this is how the futures looks like. So this one is the pair. It means that the crypto that you want to buy and start the futures. So we have a lot of pairs over here. You can choose any one that you want, and I'll show you how you can identify pairs to trade on futures. That one I'll show you when you sign up in my mentorship, how you can identify coins to trade in futures. Yeah, because like it's not any coin that we trade in futures, and every coin to have the long and shorts. This coin is short or long. That one you have to identify it. So when I open it here we have the chart over here. You see that right now it's going short over here, going short here. Yeah. So I'll come here. Let me explain everything to you. So we see that we have here cross and isolated. So the cross means that if I have $50 in my account and I'm using $25 to trade on futures, if I'm still in the trade and my money is down, it will cross to the other money in the future wallet. The money in the future wallet, it will cross to it. But when it's isolated, when you say that in isolated, the isolated, that one, the money that you use it to face the market, when it's done, it's done. You are off the market. Yeah. So, and we have limit and markets. That's the two things that I use, the limit and the markets. Yeah. So the limit means that you can set your own limits. So I want to enter the trade with, let's say I want to enter the trade when, let's say, OST is 0.065. That's your entry, market entry. So you can set your own market entry. Yeah. But when it's the market one, that one is the market. You can't set anything. That one, you are entering the market with the market order. Yeah. But this one, I have to set it to the limit order. I can choose to that. I want to enter the trade with this rate. Yeah. So after that, you see that amount. So the amount is where you input your money in it. So I want to buy $100 and stuff. So if I have $100 in my account, I will not even enter it. I will just scroll to the 100%. So it means that any money in my future trade, use it. Any money in the future trade, use it. Yeah. And it will use everything for you. And we have the TP and the stop loss. So the TP means that take profits. So it means that since I entered the market in 0.06553, I can say that like the market, I should take my profit when the market is 0.7. So it means that when even I'm not online and then I gain profits so 0.07, automatically I'll close the market. The market will close automatically for me. And the stop loss means that like if I'm losing money and it will get to this rate 0.61, the market should close for me. In order not to lose all my funds in the future trading, the market should close for me. So that's what we call stop loss. Yeah. And we have buy and sell. The buy long and sell short means that if I say buy long, let me go to chat to see something. If I say buy long and it's going red, I'm losing money like that. It's in short, I'm losing money like that. But when I say buy long and it's going green, it's going up, it's going green, that means it's going long up. That means I'm gaining money like that. So when I go to sell short and it's going red, it's going down, going red, I'm making money like that. But when I go sell short and it's going green, going up, going long, I'm losing money like that. That's how the sell short and the buy long means. Yeah. And this one, if I have $100 and I set the leverage to 10, it means that every pip I'll be earning times 10. Lose pip minus 10. Is that then? Yeah. That's how it is. Every percentage, 1%, I'll be earning times 10 minus 1% minus 10 times. Is that then? Yeah. So if the money you're using is small, you can even set to, let's say, 4. The leverage is times 4. Yeah. And it's supposed to be in isolated, not cross. Yeah. So this is how you make money using future trading. Yeah. For beginners. And you can easily flip your $100 to $1,000 accounts with just some small minis when you have the correct pair crypto and you have signals. Yeah, signals to buy and sell. You can do it. And I have a premium group for signals on futures. So that one too, I'll show you everything. Yeah. So thank you for watching me and don't forget to subscribe.